Hey guys, Abraham here. I just want to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below. Hey guys, welcome back to the next video in our series. Did you like that intro stuff? I know it's a little bit of an advertisement, and yeah, it's part of the thing that we're going to be promoting. We now have this very cool premium access to Skillshare, so make sure to check that out. But before we move on to more announcements, wow, this has been a crazy week. And I wanted to let you guys know that things haven't been normal this week. I know that I've missed a lot of days. I know that we have released a couple more stuff, so make sure to check that speed tree announcement that we had yesterday. Very, very cool information. And yes, so what the hell has happened? Well, as you guys know, I explained this in the last video, we just opened a new area in one of the biggest museums here in Mexico, in the north of Mexico, which is called the Museo del Desierto, the Desert Museum. And in this museum, it's a really big museum, we just opened a new VR experience area. Just so you guys know, well, I think I've mentioned this before, and you've probably seen it on a couple of our videos. I own a small studio called Critical Hit Studio here in Mexico. That's my personal brand, and that's most of the work that I do goes through that studio in particular. But I also own or co-own this studio right here, which is called... Let me show you. Hyperlab. There we go. So Hyperlab is a studio that I co-own with a partner of mine. His name is Ulises. He's a really intelligent guy. He's been in the industry for a long time, but he's been working on advertisement for a long time. So his skills in advertisement and all of his contacts, plus my skill in 3D, we created this thing called Hyperlab, and we've been doing some VR and AR stuff for industries here inside of Mexico. So this week we launched our newest place, and I'm going to show you, by the way, so don't close the video just yet. We released our new area here in the museum, and actually I recorded a video that I want to show you right here of the little tour. So you guys want to see it? There we go. So this museum is a really big museum. It has a lot of like expositions and stuff, and they opened a new area. This one that you're seeing right here, this is the new Africa area. So they have a lot of like animals from Africa and stuff. There's lions, gazelles, cheetahs, hippopotamus, crocodiles. It's a really, really cool area. It's a small area, but it's really, really cool. And then the big area that you're about to see, it's called Hyperlab as our studio. And this is like our interactive area for all of this like super fancy technological stuff. So in the last couple of months, we've been working on 2 experiences. We've been working on a tablet experience for kids, and we've been working on a VR experience. And look at this. I mean, this is one of the things about 3D. It's a really flexible career because you can do a lot of different things. This is the new area. We have 8 systems available for use. So if you're ever here in Mexico and you visit the museum, feel free to check it out. And this is one of the things that I've been working for in the last couple of months, as well as all of the tutorials and all of the courses for you guys. So this is why I have been missing this last couple of days. As I've mentioned, this is a very important week here in Mexico because everyone's on vacation and there's a lot of people going into the museum. So I've been working on the museum for like the past couple of days, making sure that everything works as nicely as possible. And yeah, as I mentioned, this is let me show you again. This is the new area that we have. It's called the Hyperlab. This guy right here, this is Ulysses. He's my partner, and this is the robot. He's like the hero, our mascot. His name is Arlo. And I think one of the things that I want to like make sure you guys understand about this is 3D is like a language, right? So even though you might think that you're only going to be working on video games or in movies, there's so much other things that you can do with 3D, things that are like really economically like beneficial to everyone, because there's a really nice return of investment on all of these experiences that you guys might find yourselves working on. So always keep your mind open for things that might help you in the future, because you never know where you're going to be working on the future, right? So yeah, that's it, guys. This is the thing that I've been working for the last couple of days. It's been long hours. We go there early in the morning. We leave late afternoon after every single person from the museum has gone through the experience. So it's a really rewarding experience, but it's really really tiring. So that's why I haven't been uploading videos. But don't worry, we're gonna be back on track. The heavy days are actually they're coming. It's tomorrow, Friday, or actually today, Friday, if you're watching this on Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. I'm gonna be working all day, but I'm gonna have enough time for you guys in the afternoon to do the portfolio reviews. So we're gonna have our portfolio reviews at the end of this, or tomorrow and on Sunday. So if you want your portfolio to be reviewed, make sure to go here in the description, check our Google Drive link, go there, drop a small folder with your name, and then drop whatever piece you want me to review, and I'll be happy to do so. After that, starting on Monday, we'll continue with our character. Remember the nice, cool little character, the animated character that we're doing, this sort of like infected character with like a spider X and stuff, and there's still more work to come. So things are not slowing down. It's actually the other way around. We're preparing and trying to polish as many things as possible for you guys. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all your comments and your likes. Make sure to leave more comments and more likes in this video. I always appreciate and always look forward to reading and hearing from you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe. You know the drill, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow for portfolio review. Bye-bye.